Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing some swatches of the Butter London Glazen Peel-Off Glitters. Now these are not a new product, nor are they a new product to me, but I recently got an addition to my peel-off collection, so I thought I would do a swatch video now because I haven't done one of this collection before, and I wanted to play around with these polishes with some nail art. And if you've ever worn glitter nail polish without a peel-off base coat, you probably know the nightmare that is trying to remove these chunky glitters. So that's one of the reasons why I love these glitters. You don't need a base coat and you don't need acetone to remove them. I'm going to be swatching all of these peel-off glitters on clean bare nails, and then I'll show you the peel-off process after the swatches. The first one is Aura, and this one has got some smaller iridescent glitters in a clear base. I think this one would be a really cool topper. I saw Sarah from 25 Sweet Peas swatch this one over a black polish, and the iridescent glitters just look so beautiful over a dark polish. But of course, if you use it as a topper, you won't get that same peel-off effect, so I'm going to swatch it on its own, and here I used 2 coats. Now it's not completely opaque in 2 coats, but I think the iridescent glitters do a pretty good job at reflecting the light and hiding your nail line a little bit. This one is Supernova, and this one has got some smaller and medium holographic glitters suspended in a clear base. This one is one of my favorites from the Glazen Peel-Off Glitter collection. I think it covers really nicely in 2 coats, and I love using this one as a glitter accent nail. So here are 2 coats of Supernova. This one is Gold Rush, and this has got to be my favorite polish from the Glazen Peel-Off Glitter collection, and I also think it's my favorite gold glitter in my entire nail polish collection. I just think this is the perfect gold glitter polish. It's got a bunch of different sizes of gold glitters suspended in a clear base, and it covers so nicely in 2 coats. These glitters do have a slightly thicker formula compared to regular glitter polishes, but I think that's because of the peel-off formula. And this one is just a little bit thicker because it's so well loved and I've used it so much. This one is Glitz, and this is a pink glitter polish. It's got some medium/small sized pink glitters suspended in a clear base. Again, it's not completely opaque on the first coat, but it does cover really nicely in 2 coats. I've used this one quite a bit as a glitter accent because I think it's got really good coverage and it's a really pretty pink color. So here are 2 coats of Glitz. This one is Galaxy, and this one definitely has a very interesting glitter combination. There are some very small green and very small blue glitters, along with some larger medium-sized purple glitters, all suspended in a clear base. So I felt like the glitters in this polish were a little bit more sparse compared to the other glitter polishes, and along with the fact that these glitters are darker than some of the other polishes that I swatched, it was a little bit more obvious that my nail was peeking through, so I did prefer how this glitter polish looked in 3 coats. So here are 3 coats of Galaxy. The last polish that I'm going to swatch, and the newest addition to my collection, is Black Magic, and this one is different than the other peel-off glitters because the glitters are not suspended in a clear base. This one has some small silver glitters suspended in a somewhat sheer black base. This one builds up completely in 2 coats, and it's giving me very strong New Year's Eve vibes, but anyways, here are 2 coats of Black Magic. So just to show you how easy these peel-off glitters are to remove, again, I apply these glitters to clean bare nails. You want to skip the base coat, otherwise they won't peel off. And I just used my thumbnail on my other hand to lift up the polish on one edge of my nail. And then once I got that started, I just peeled the rest off and it came off in one big piece. Now, some of them, they didn't come off in one piece like this one, but I just removed whatever was still left on my nail the same way, and I didn't use any acetone. Like I mentioned earlier, I love using these peel-off glitters as glitter accents, but I also like using them in nail art. Just remember that if you use these polishes on top of a different polish, they're not going to have that same peel-off effect. And now I'm going to show you a really simple nail art design using these peel-off glitters as a base. I'm going to start off with 2 coats of Supernova, which was that holographic silver glitter. And I'm going to be playing around with some layering using one of the new jelly treatment polishes from Butter London in Victoria Plum. And if you want to see my swatch video of the 2 new jelly treatment polishes from Butter London, you can click the card on your screen right now. And this sheer purple polish is going to give that silver holographic glitter a really pretty deep purple tint. I applied 3 layers of the sheer purple polish on half of my nail, and then I finished it off with the Butter London Hardware Shine UV top coat. So here is the finished design and one more shot of the very satisfying peel. So these will peel off if you use a regular polish on top, but they're not going to peel off if you use a regular polish underneath. So that is all for the peel off glitter swatch video and a really quick nail art tutorial. If you're wondering about the wear time, I didn't do a wear test specifically for this video, but I have worn them on their own in the past, and they lasted on my nails without chipping for 4 days before I wanted to switch up my nail polish. So I know that at least on my nails they will last me 4 days, probably longer, but I just have not tested out the wear time beyond 4 days. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe down below. I'll also have a link to my Butter London playlist and the swatch video of the Butter London jelly treatment polishes on your screen and in the description box below. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!